This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy lorShift back at it again with another banger video, y'all. And as y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, in today's video we're gonna be sliding my Dodge Demon through every corner. All right, so we're gonna turn up for y'all. It's been a long time since I dropped. Your boy's finally back, and we're back with a banger. So make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, go follow that Instagram. I'm gonna throw it up right here. That's my Instagram right there. So make sure y'all go tap in with that. Let's get straight to it, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around, and then we're gonna go straight to it, y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on with the big Taney mobile though, man. Y'all ain't see this joint in so long. I know y'all probably like, what's going on? As y'all can see, we got a whole wide body front bumper. Yes, we're going full wide body. I ended up hitting a pole about the size of like that stop sign over there, and it destroyed my slim body slash wide body bumper. So we have a new bumper on. We got to get the fender over here on the actual, well, the flare on the fender, and then we got to get a new side skirt because the snow messed my side skirt up. So I don't even want to talk about that, bro. I promise y'all it's not me, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all it's not me. We got the big Demon engine right here, you feel me? We got the intake right here. Boom, you already know what's going on over there. This side skirt's coming apart, but it's cool. We gonna fix that too. As y'all see, we got the 170 emblem, nice and clean, you feel me? And then we got that big BBL with the Demon word on the back, as y'all can see. We gonna make sure we turn up for y'all, man. We gonna go crazy. It's been like 2 videos in 2 months, so we gotta actually go crazy this time, man. It's been too long. That's all I gotta say. But that's what we're working with today. I'm gonna give y'all a POV. Let's hop in the car. Let's get to it.
They told me to focus on the bigger picture. Like, how can I stop when we all on a mission? Turning my likes and comments to dish. Had to turn the shit up, make them want to pay attention, yeah. Had to turn the shit up, make them listen. Little nigga couldn't stay out detention. Shit, I was just trapping the halls and ducking from law.
All right, y'all, so we're gonna hop right into it. As y'all can see, we are in the Demon. Traction off. And we're gonna go crazy, man. We already in track mode. Hopefully looks like there's traffic right here, so I can't really bend this corner. Unfortunately, we're going to have to take a different route, y'all. We're going to have to take a different route. That's how we're going to start the video. That's how we're going to start the video. The car was not trying to spin, I ain't going to lie. That's cool, because we got more for y'all. Just bear with me. Had to get the tires a little warmed up. Oh, I did not mean to hit that.
Canceled.
Hopefully my engine don't blow up, y'all. Depending on if there's more traffic over here or not, depends on which way I'm gonna slide. Of course, this guy wants to be right here, so I might be cooked. Let's get it started, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's my differential or what, but this bitch does not want to spin. We gonna try again though. Let me give y'all some pat action real quick. I am having a radiator problem. I'm leaking coolant, so I'm risking doing this video for y'all. So just bear with me. Let's bust the left right here. I like this. I like this left. I like this left, y'all. I like this left. Hold on, we about to U-turn real quick. Turn this bad boy. Let's get it. When I slide, I'm gonna try and keep the camera up. It's kind of hard because I gotta focus. But y'all know we still gonna get busy no matter what. Okay, maybe the tires just gotta warm up a little bit more. Because that felt better. That definitely felt better. Bear with me, y'all. I'm trying my best. I got one hand. Like, I'm trying. I got one hand right now, bro. But we still been in corners, you feel me? Right in front of the school. How y'all feeling? I'm feeling it. We gonna turn this way. I know cars coming. Let's make a left right here, y'all. This is not a sharp turn. That's ass. I thought it was a sharp turn, yo. I guess not. I can barely even see over there. Golly, this damn snow. I really wanted to bust a Yui right here. Yeah, the tires definitely had to get loose. Well, warmed up because they were cold, I guess. I feel like I'm sliding a little better now. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I don't know. Ooh, I was feeling right there. Hopefully you guys are able to see everything. If you're still watching this, John, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Damn, she barking. Oh, snap. We got a police. We got a cop. He's definitely turning around. He going to catch me, though. I ain't gonna lie. I know he seen I had no hood on either. I think it's legal. I don't know. About to find out the hard way. Mind you, I haven't seen cops all day. The one time I rev, there wants to be a cop. Hold on, y'all. How y'all liking the demon content, though? How y'all liking the demon content? I would been right here, but this road's so small. I need to find like a good spot, bro. We're just gonna keep driving though. If y'all still enjoying this video, man, make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. What are you doing, bro? Leave a like. We back. You feel me? You're gonna bend a few more corners though. This video is not done yet. We are like 10 minutes in, 8 minutes in, something like that. I might split it into parts as well. Like you might have some parts with me just driving, you know, a few parts of me bending the corners and stuff. My tires are very bald right now, so I'm kind of risking it, like I said. Is this a churchy? I can't do this in front of the church, y'all. I feel like that cop is somewhere behind me. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not know where I'm going. Y'all thinking what I'm thinking? I know y'all thinking what I'm thinking. not really spinning how I wanted to spin, bro. It's not really spinning how I wanted to spin. I don't know what's going on, y'all. Y'all thought I was a cop in front of me. She's still barking though. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Do not get it twisted. Cop right there too. We gonna go straight, we gonna go straight, we gonna go straight. Why he tried to swerve into me like that was gonna scare me? You see him? I know y'all seen him. He tried to swerve into me, bro. People are crazy. But yeah, y'all, I gotta figure this out. I might make a part 2 because it's not really sliding how I wanted to slide. I know y'all see. But y'all gotta give me some A for effort. You feel me? I'm trying. I also need to work on my like bending game. Like I need to tap in with Len more because I might call him after this and ask him like, yo, bro, how the hell you get this bitch to spin? This joint not really working with me. I don't know what's going on. I might need a 3.09 diff. I might need a scat diff. Cause I know the 262s mess up a little bit. At least the one I had on my RT, it was doing the same thing this is. It could be because I'm in sport mode. I'm not sure yet. But I'm about to call Lynn and ask him because this is I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna give y'all one more walk around of this joint though before we end the video. But like I said, for the 3rd time, if you enjoyed it, leave a like. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a like. And we got 12 over there, so I'm definitely probably gonna end it. You see him? 12 right there. Let's get out this joint. Let's give it a little rest, bro. She probably leaking coolant everywhere. Oh my God. All right, y'all. She's still in a good condition right now, which isn't bad. But if y'all enjoyed this video, go follow my Instagram. I'm gonna throw it out right here. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me show y'all my tires so y'all know I'm not bullshitting, bro. Tires are bald. I'm trying to tell y'all, I don't cap. Tires are bald. I think I had these tires on since I got the car. I think since August. So I don't even have winter tires right now. So if it snowstorms again, I'm cooked. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. Make sure you watch my last video that dropped. It's your boy lorShift, and we out. I know the video not over yet. I forgot to give y'all a pull. Y'all know we gotta give y'all a pull. Hold on. Turn my traction back on so I don't. I'm scared to hit the gas all the way, y'all. I feel like I'm gonna just into one of these side railings. I got traumatized from that Scat Pack accident. can't really do what I want to do, y'all, because it's not, like, I have no traction, I have no tread on my tires, so I'm scared I'm just going to crash out, and we don't want that, y'all. We do not want that. All right, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for the 30,000th time, and I'm going to catch you on the next banger video.